So the system's off and Ollie's just getting rid of the tape on my scalp. Then we'll give it a clean up and we should be good, ready for cutting my hair, fitting system. So Ollie's given my head a good old clean and a shave. Yep, so
mud bath next.
Coming on nicely, and yeah, bit of a mud bath, bit of a head pamper. Mud pack man. Okay, so this is the cleansing, if you like, of the scalp. Oops. And this will stay on for a little while. And Ollie's just sorted my system out, and once that's done, a good old trim of this. It's going a lot shorter this time, and once that's all done, the system can be fitted. All good. I'll get back to you. Hi guys, head's washed, nice and clean, very clean, and Ollie's just going to start doing a bit of chopping here and there he is. Yeah. So yeah, next time should have a nice little trim around the sides there. Ollie's just finishing off sorting out my head. A few dots here and there, just to mark where the system is going to go, and just trimming to get so that it gets a perfect fit with the system. Okay, so now Ollie's just putting the glue on the front. This is the Perfect glue, called Perfect, and it's pretty perfect. And you see what I did there? And it's just putting it at the front there of my head. And for the rest, I'm going to have tape. So if I just get a little shot of the system down there, you can see that he's prepared it with tape. And that will go on obviously when the glue is dry, and should all fit nicely together. Okay, so glue is on, and you'll see just a faint white at the moment while the glue is drying. It dries clear, so it goes on white, it dries clear. When it's clear, it's good to go. The system will be ready to fit. And always do the show of the monk look. It's not flattering, it's not good, but it'll be better when I get my hair system on. Can't wait.
Okay, head down a bit, mate.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. Okay, head down a bit more.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. Right, it's nice and secure.
There we go. System fitted. Perfect hairdo, look at that. If I was an 80s rock star. So now, Ollie's just going to make it look beautiful. Ollie's just removing the black guidelines. Yeah, that looks a bit better.
Yeah, it might be a bit of a shock if somebody saw that.
Like, what are you doing to your head? Yeah. Yeah. So colour's looking good. Colour's looking lovely.
Yeah, really good colour.
Yeah, great colour match. So now it's just a case of the cut. So looking a bit more trim already. Ollie's just blending in at the moment around the sides there. And a bit more to do before we do the rest of it, but looking good. So we're getting a bit of a cut now, nice little trim, starting to take shape. So we've had a good cut, lovely trim, it's looking good. Okay, we are looking good, and you can perhaps see the back there, just about, if I move, that's it. And
Right,
yeah, thanks. Very, very happy with what Ollie's done here. Absolutely perfect length, perfect cut, perfect colour of system. It's just absolutely spot on. Loving it.
Thumbs up.
Great job, my
Yay.
friend. Yeah, great job.